Where is he? Where is he? There he is.
Whoa.
Oh, those zombies are wearing raincoats.
Yeah, you can get them to drop the raincoats sometimes.
I'm gonna be needing a raincoat later. If you know what I mean. You know what I'm saying?
No. Yeah, I think I know what you're saying. You know what I'm saying. Alright, so we found out that the sand biome is really hard now. Used to, you could go to sand and get some decent stuff out of like a pyramid. Then you go to snow and jungle. But I haven't even seen jungle in this world.
It's probably past the desert biome.
It's where the Pudges live.
I'm used to playing on consoles, so the worlds aren't that big. Like even the large world, you can run to the other end in about no time.
Everyone left. Everyone left the stream.
Yeah, it was just me.
How's it look, by the way?
It looked good. You hear me?
I hear you.
Okay.
Well, you did say that you were stopping the stream, and then Brad logged in.
Well, I said I was gonna get on probably for about another 30 minutes.
For some reason, it logged me in as somebody named Justin Fan.
Justin Fan.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, it must be the last guy that hacked your account.
probably. Because I put on there that I don't like to watch you.
What the fuck is that? It rained a goldfish. It's walking. Holy crap! I'm scared. Killing it.
Why'd you kill it?
I don't trust no fish that can walk on land. Look at that bird too. Bam. Killed him.
I probably should have made a bow or something.
We need to get Brad some better equipment.
Kitty, why you go lay across my keyboard, man? I need this. I need this keyboard. Do need it. I need it.
Here, take this blowpipe.
Yeah, take the blowpipe.
Holy crap! It's a fine fish.
Blowpipe. Wizard blowpipe.
Doesn't work.
Stop wasting your
You gotta have
seeds.
seeds, baby.
I gave him seeds. He's just shooting them everywhere.
Seeding everything I can see.
What a troller boy.
Why does this place look like it's bleeding?
You should get away from there.
That's the Crimson dude. That place is no joke.
Join the red team. Join the red team so we can see you.
I don't know what that means.
If you press escape and then pick the red shield over on the right.
Well, I mean, I'm fighting like 3 things right now. One thing looks like it's got a pair of testicles for a chin.
We gotta go save him.
Yeah, that's a face monster.
Well, I'm about to take his face off.
You ought to do it.
Doing it right now.
I gotta go see this. We need Bell.
What?
We need Bell.
Oh, he's at work.
Who's at work?
Jeremy
He
Bell.
ain't even in no danger.
Oh, okay.
I was. You got here late. I was on the other side of this.
Is all of this over here marble? Wow, it is.
Oh god.
I like that they added marble. It's pretty cool. This is hardcore, by the way. If you die in the game, you die in real life.
Okay, well let me go ahead and die. Get me! Okay.
This is Sword Art Online.
Oh
God, there's
I'm
more of
fighting
them.
a skeleton.
This-
with
let's
a
bring 'em
copper
back.
sword.
Let's bring him back to Levi.
This is Jumanji. You gotta roll doubles to get out.
Oh shit.
Rest in peace, Robin Williams. Too soon.
Ah,
There have ever
no!
been not too soon? I don't think so.
Too soon.
Okay.
Just got a water walking potion.
Oh man, we found the new Jesus.
I just got a Viagra potion.
I helped fill out part of the house. I used dirt. I figured you guys would like that.
Oh my god.
I just fell really deep into water, and I can't get out.
I'm coming as fast as I can.
Where are you?
I'm
I
about
bet you're coming.
600. Oh. Never
I just
mind.
teleported to you to keep from dying. I'm here. I'm behind you.
I see you.
Is that using the cheat skis? We cheat ski?
No, I have a teleport potion.
Sounds like cheat skis.
Oh god, it hurts!
What is that? What the fuck is that thing?
A cock beetle?
Cock beetle.
I got a red
Whoa.
husk.
He gave you a red cock?
Used to make red dye.
What the fuck? Do you see those guys? Why do they look like that?
Don't go down there.
I'm down here. I'm stoned. I'm stoned.
Whoa!
Oh shit, they're on me. That one's throwing a spear. Wow.
Holy crap, that thing has some punch to it.
That spear? Yeah, it's like trying to kill me right now. If you can kill that, maybe it'll drop whatever the fuck it has.
I'm too busy trying not to get killed by these bats.
Killed the skeleton. Where'd that spear guy go? Is he gone?
He's still there.
Oh god, I got turned to stone.
I got you, I got you. Okay, I don't got you. She chasing me. She chasing me. Nope, and I'm stoned.
Whale on her, whale on her, whale on her, whale
Watch
on
out,
her.
she's gonna do the stone.
Oh,
Oh, get the head.
oh.
Can we pick the head up?
It won't let me pick the head up. Oh god, you made it worse.
No, I'm gonna die.
Sounds like you guys having an adventure. I'll just keep cutting down
Yeah, I have
trees.
like no HP.
Here.
I have potions, I just have a cooldown on them.
Well, give me those back then.
Oh, that guy's back, that guy's back, that guy's back. He's back, he's back.
Take him.
Whoa, no, he
hurts
does,
a
he
lot,
does, he
dude.
does 50 damage per attack. Oh god,
Don't die.
oh god.
He's so good. His aim is impeccable.
Oh!
He got you. He got you. I'm hiding right here just so that we don't lose your stuff.
I'm so disappointed in myself.
He got me too. I'm dead. Dude, that guy is a beast.
Oh my god, it's still raining.
Oh yeah, you guys told me to click something. I forgot what it was though.
Oh, press escape and click on the red shield. Spawn on me, never mind.
Hey, what happened to the fish?
What fish?
I had them in the house.
It's probably dead.
Why are they dead?
I don't know. Because they can't breathe on land.
Motherfuckers can too, it's raining.
Good old B what's.
It's in this one. There's nothing in that one. How am I supposed to take gear if you guys don't have any?
If you want mine, it's all the way at the bottom of this cave right here.
Yeah, Sam just lost everything.
Well,
I
that's
have
good.
cactus armor. I don't even, and a copper sword. I don't even have anything good yet.
I'm making assumptions on where you guys are.
Should be able to see us.
I mean, I see words, but it doesn't show me where you are.
Oh, if you press M on the map, it'll show you where we are.
Oh, you're like back at the house.
Yep.
I'm in like some cave.
Okay, I'm back in business.
You have a. You have umbrella hat, Brad?
Yeah,
Nice. Where'd you get that?
got it from a blue thing, blue blobby guy.
Nice.
What killed you?
A Medusa, like, I was climbing down a rope, and the Medusa turned me to stone, and I fell, and I took fall damage and died. I give up. I'm not going back down there.
I'm gonna have to change what mode my character's in. Can I do that? No, I can't. Oh,
Yeah, you don't want to lose your items.
I'm almost out of blue darts.
better start farming them seeds.
I'm in a dungeon. How do you get seeds in a dungeon?
You better start pulling them out of your butt.
Oh, okay.
Come on, you bat motherfucker. I'll fucking cut you in half. Get back here. Whoa, you're rolling pretty deep, man.
Who?
You.
Oh, I was just walking. I don't even know how I got here.
Walking.
Oh god, I can't see. Now I'm in water.
I just got turned to stone. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap.
Dang, they got piranhas.
No! No! No!
Yay!
I'm dead. Dead
I
again.
believe it. I don't think you guys are ready for the big league.
No, we're not in any way,
Tisk,
shape, or form ready for the big league.
How are you going to go to the Dota 2 Internationals if you aren't ready for the big league?
I am not playing that game.